Why does your stomach make those weird growling sounds even when you're not hungry? Most people think, oh, that's just hunger. But nope, that's not the real reason. Your stomach growls because your digestive system is basically doing a self-cleaning cycle. Even when there's no food, your stomach and intestines keep squeezing and moving, pushing air, leftover liquid, and tiny food bits forward. Think of it like an empty washing machine still spinning. Nothing inside, but lots of noise. So yeah, your stomach isn't begging for food, it's just saying, relax bro, I'm cleaning. And now every time it growls, you're gonna hear it louder than before.